You're watching Rome Tech. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up for more financial insights. LendingUSA, a personal loan review, links are in the description below. LendingUSA focuses on personal loans designed for specific expenses like medical procedures, home renovations, funeral costs, and other major purchases. Their lending model is unique, partnering primarily with merchants to offer financing to their customers, which distinguishes them from typical lenders. Loan amounts available range from $1,000 up to $112,000, with repayment terms set at 36 months. Annual percentage rates, APRs, start at 14.99% and can reach up to 29.99%, based on individual credit history and score. While there's no penalty for early repayment, an origination fee of up to 8% is deducted directly from the loan principal. The application process is designed for simplicity. You can get instant pre-qualification with a soft credit check that won't affect your credit score. Upon loan approval, funds are disbursed directly to the service provider, not the borrower. This direct payment structure is particularly beneficial for those financing elective medical procedures, pet care, or home improvement projects, guaranteeing that the funds are used for their intended purpose. LendingUSA predominantly serves borrowers with fair to good credit, and approval rates are generally higher when applying through one of their affiliated merchants. Applicants with lower credit scores might encounter higher interest rates or potentially loan rejection. A key feature of LendingUSA loans is the promotional 0% interest period for the first 6 months, provided the loan is paid off in full within that time frame. However, it's crucial to note that if the loan isn't repaid within the initial 6 months, the accrued interest is applied retroactively. Customer support is accessible via phone and email, although some customer reviews mention longer than average response times. One potential drawback is the relatively high origination fee and the possibility of high APRs, which might make LendingUSA less suitable for borrowers prioritizing the absolute lowest financing costs. In summary, LendingUSA offers a viable option for borrowers seeking financing through a partnered provider, particularly for those who can repay the loan within the first 6 months to capitalize on the 0% interest promotion. However, if you're looking for the lowest possible interest rates or require direct access to the loan funds, exploring alternative lenders may be more advantageous. Check out the links in the description for further details and comparisons.